Bigger? Bigger? Or like... Yeah, man. 4 in the morning activities. Me and my girlfriend. Just chilling. So y'all finna see me clean Super B. I mean, Fast Dude. I miss Super B. After the tire cleaner, I'm gonna go around and spray the soda also on my rim.
Alright.
So I'm gonna let you do it.
Alright. Guys, he's putting me to work. And this is a wide body. Okay. Let me know, babe. Alright. Am I going this way? Vlog. It's currently almost 4:30 a.m. and we are at the car wash. The best duo to do it. Mopar Couple Edition. My man got his stuff all under control. And I'm just here, like, just sitting here for moral support at this point. Y'all probably can't see me. Come on, lens. Focus, focus. But yeah. I kind of want to go to Waffle House on some big back shit, but like, why are we up this early? Because we took a nap.
Hey vlog, so right now me and my girlfriend are switching spots because this blower don't want to fucking blow. So the people at this car wash in Newport Richie, what the fuck are y'all doing? How is this a car wash for car people and the fucking vacuums ain't even operating right? How is my girlfriend's motherfucking blower better than my blower? That's fucking bogus. And fuck yeah, I'm gonna complain about this shit. Cause I'm a motherfucking returning customer. And that's a fucking problem right there. Sorry, Pat. How's this a car wash for car people and the blowers on this?
Why ain't your camera where you can see you doing it? Like over here?
I don't make it
Quicker than me, baby. You ain't have to do all that. Somebody I know. Hey, y'all. Yeah, y'all, he got my red key. I'm holding his black one. Chill out. Chill out fast, dude. You don't gotta rat me out like that. Yeah, I think my baby got it, y'all. Cause I'm like, boy, did you hit something like parking in somewhere? You like to bump shit. Let him put y'all on. Totally awesome. Get your marks off. Ducking cover on that ass, y'all. Okay.
Look, 'cause look, I don't get why I paid Justin $2 just to add the black in the cab. I'm expecting the whole car to be wrapped.
Ooh.
So I need my door rewrapped, the other door rewrapped, and I need my bumper rewrapped.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, because it's already a hole through it. You know, it's curved, so I want that covered up.
Oh.
That's how I know they did. And if they say they did, I know they did because that's been there.
Right.
It hit different when you guys leave.
Right.
I was just thinking about it. I was like, what's going on? I paid for this whole wrap.
Right. Right, y'all. Whoever that was, y'all, they left they mark. You're funny. I was trying to get it off right with you, but I am the type to do something and do it right with your ass. But I didn't do that, y'all. One thing about it, my baby don't play about his car. You did? Y'all, he need a scrub daddy.
What y'all think? I'm paying $3,000 for a wrap, and I'm expecting to get all new yellow, and put the car with the black side, and I didn't get it. I need that, or I need a new. Then you guys are gonna have to wrap my girlfriend's car for free. All right, y'all. It's been an hour at the car wash. Fast food is clean-ish. And yeah, we're gonna head home. Go do some mysterious things later. I can't tell y'all what I'm gonna go do today. You guys just gotta stay tuned for the next Too Crazy Tuesday.
Why don't make it hit?
Alrighty, y'all. Catch y'all in the next one. What's up?
Hey, y'all.
What we doing?
Gonna do it real.
Come on. Fuck.
You understand I gotta hear the sound, right?
Oh, you do?
And you wanted to start your supercharger. I just need to hear the thing real quick.
I'm gonna have to bring you down to earth for a sec. There's no way you're getting tickets for that show, but I love your enthusiasm. I'm gonna have to bring you down to earth for a sec. There's no way you're getting tickets for that show, but I love your enthusiasm. I'm gonna have to bring you down to earth for a sec. There's no way you're getting tickets for that show.
I gotta redo it, y'all. Y'all behind the scenes with the shit. I gotta bring them down to earth. And then it's gonna be funny when y'all hear the caption. Alright. Let's see. Come on, baby, move.
Bring you down to earth for a sec. There's no way you're getting tickets for that show, but I love your enthusiasm. Bring you down to earth for a sec. There's no way you're getting tickets for that show, but I love your enthusiasm. Bring you down to earth for a sec. There's no way you're getting tickets for that show, but I love your enthusiasm. I'm gonna have to like bring you down to earth for a sec.
She's funny.
No way you're getting
You fucked up putting her in the Hemi.
But I love your enthusiasm.
no way you're getting tickets for that show, but I love your enthusiasm. I'm gonna have to like bring you down to earth for a sec. There's no way you're getting tickets for that show, but I love your enthusiasm. I'm gonna have to like
I'm saying so it's warming up, the oils.
Oh, my fault. It probably look better with it on, yo. Yeah, let me come out like
Those good. Another one?
I mean, we just started our damn car, so.
I know, I'm warming mine up.
Oh.
With all the water and stuff. And my oil's gotta get right. Just for me to go park, but my car was running different. Oh, since we're here, and we ain't leave yet. She's doing TikToks. Somebody told me I had a Hemi tip. Seems fine to me. Look at my air filter, it's rad. Oh, and guess what I got new on my Hellcat? So I will catch you unless Naya gets to make a more TikTok show.